I'm Jessica, and this is my Pikachu assignment about volcanoes. This is a cinder cone volcano. As you can tell, it looks like a cone, and it looks like it may have been about to erupt. This is lava. Lava comes out of the volcano as soon as it erupts. Any town near a volcano will get destroyed, and if it doesn't, it will get covered in molten lava, just like this hotel is. This is a picture of lava falling off the edge of a cliff and into the water. This is ash and lava spitting out of an erupting volcano. This is a composite volcano, and as you can see in this picture, while it's erupting, there's a giant ash cloud coming out of it. In this picture, as you can see, there's the magma chamber. In the magma chamber is where the magma is stored, and then when the volcano erupts, it comes out as the lava. This is a house getting burned down after a volcano erupt, and apparently there's people standing there watching it get burned. This is a composite volcano erupting, and it's ash clouds spreading into the open air. This is the athentosphere. It is partially made up of molten rock and is found in the upper mantle of the Earth's interior. This is a shield volcano, and apparently it looks like it hasn't erupted in a while. This is another shield volcano. This is the lithosphere. It is the brittle uppermost shell of the Earth. It is broken into different number of tectonic plates. It consists of the heavy oceanic and part of the lighter continental crust. Is the uppermost portion of the mantle. This is a composite volcano. As you can see, it looks like it may be erupting. Not a whole lot, but a little. This is an ash cloud after a volcano has erupted, but it looks more like a nuclear bomb exploding. This is a cinder cone volcano. As you can tell, it looks more like a cone. This is lava erupting from the inside of a volcano. This is a composite volcano. As you can see, it burnt everything that was below it. This is the Pacific Ring of Fire. It has the largest numbers of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, and it occurs in the basin of the Pacific Ocean. It is a horseshoe shaped, and it is associated with nearly continuous series of oceanic trenches and volcanic arches. This picture is a picture of lava flowing off an edge and into the ocean. This is a picture of a severely damaged car, and by the looks of it, it looks like it's been sitting in a pool of ash. And the house behind it looks like it's been moved from the upper rocks, and the lava just drug it down off its foundation.